Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file American Opportunity Tax Credit only way. Start by confirming student eligibility and collecting Form 1098-T, receipts, and payer details. Then separate qualified tuition from non-qualified items. Next, calculate total qualified expenses after subtracting scholarships, grants, and reimbursements. Choose the correct tax form and complete the education credit section carefully. Finally, review the math. Keep records for audits and file electronically for faster processing and confirmation. You'll want to double-check eligibility before you start filling forms. Confirm the student is pursuing a degree and enrolled at least half-time for an academic period. Make sure the credit hasn't been used beyond allowed years. Gather any proof of enrollment and payment records. If multiple family members qualify, calculate who gets the benefit. Keep a clear file of receipts and statements for easy reference during filing and potential audits. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more tax tips and easy walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for study playlists or hands-free reminders about deadlines. I've placed the product link and other deals in the description for your convenience, so check there if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When calculating the credit, total the qualified tuition and fees paid by the student or their family. Apply 100% to the first $2, 000 of expenses, and 25% to the next $2, 000. Subtract any tax-free assistance such as scholarships or employer tuition benefits. Remember, the credit calculation is per student, so more than one student can mean more credit. Double-check arithmetic and document sources to support your claim in case of follow-up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.